Hey guys, today we are in Volkswagen Golf MK7 with Discover Media MIB2 navigation system, and I'm going to show you how to change the small sound system logo that appears for a split second when you are booting up your system. So over here I have OBDeleven already connected to the car. Of course, you can use other diagnostic interfaces that are capable of changing coding and adaptation values in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda cars. But I'm using OBDeleven. And right now I'm going to the module list and I'm scrolling all the way down to the module 5F, which is the infotainment head unit. And over here we are going to select adaptation, and we are looking for adaptation channel called startup screen sticker HMI. And over here the default value is 0. It means that there's no sticker, and we can change it to 1, which will give us the Fender sound system logo, or 2, which will show us the DYNAUDIO sound system logo. So let's change it to 2. Okay, press and hold over here to store the value, and right now let's disconnect from the car, and let's reboot the system to check how it looks. Press and hold the volume knob for about 10 seconds, and after that you will see that your infotainment system will restart, and we should see the logo. There it is. Okay, for details check the description below this video. Also subscribe for my future videos and check what I've already done for Volkswagen and other cars. Okay, give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.